Hey Kipsters, happy Thursday. Last day of CGI lessons for the week. Today we're going to start by going over our problem from yesterday that was about our good friend Josiah. Josiah had some pretzels. He gave 45 to his friend. Now he has 73. How many did he have to start? So I started with this same idea of trying to think about what was happening in this problem. He had some. He gave away 43. Now he has 73. So I knew that I don't know my total, that biggest number that I'm taking away from, but I do know my two pieces. So I'm going to add those two pieces up and find out that total, part, whole. So I decided that I was going to try this new strategy of keeping 73 in my head and then adding on so that I didn't have to draw everything out. So I kept 73 in my head, grab it with me, and then I decade counted on 73, 83, 93, 103, 113, and then I had to count 5 more. 114, 115, 116, 117, 118. This was 45. I added it, and I got 73 plus 45 equals 118. I hope you got 118 too. I bet you did, because you guys have been killing it this week in CGI. Let's go ahead and get started on today's new problem. Get out a paper and pencil so you're totally ready to go when I get ready to tell you this story. All right, my friends, awesome. So let me tell you a story. It's about my good friend, Elijah. And it's about a whole bunch of cupcakes that he had at a party that he was having for all his friends and his family. Elijah started this party out, and he had some cupcakes. And then he gave out 57 cupcakes to all his friends and family. And when he counted the cupcakes that he had left, he realized that he had 49 cupcakes left. What he wanted to know was, how many cupcakes did he have to start? Let's read it 2 times, and then you're going to get ready to tell me in your own words all about this problem. All right. Elijah had some cupcakes. He gave out 57 to his friends. Now he has 49 cupcakes left. How many did he have to start? One more time, read it with me. Elijah had some cupcakes. He gave out 57 to his friends. Now he has 49 cupcakes left. How many did he have to start? I'm going to cover it back up, and it's your turn to tell it to me in your own words. All right, my friends, let me hear it. Nice job, you guys. You were definitely listening. So my question for you is this. Did Elijah have more or less than 57 cupcakes to start? Did he have more or less than 57 cupcakes to start? Get ready. Show me in 3, 2, 1, show. We can't seem to agree more or less. A lot of people think different things. I guess we're going to have to solve it to find out. As always, paper and pencil out. I'm going to uncover this. You'll have 4 minutes. Think about yesterday, how we showed our work, and how we grabbed that number in our head to make it even more quick and speedy. I can't wait to see if you can do that today. I'm going to uncover this for you. We have 4 minutes, Kipsters. Go get started. Nice job keeping it neat and organized, Kipsters. Don't forget to label all the parts of your problem. Don't forget about a number sentence. If you're done, try to solve it in a second way. Keep it up. One minute left. Almost time to go over it. Can't wait for you to help me solve this problem. All right, kiddos, it's time to go over this problem. Just like we did yesterday, I'm going to show you with my cubes and on the paper. Get ready to give me big agreement signs or thumbs up if you did the same thing that I did. Okay, so we know that for this problem, when I think about it, he had some cupcakes, then he gave away 57, so we're subtracting those, and then he had 49 left. So I don't know my total, that biggest number, my whole, but what I do know are my two parts. So I'm going to add my two parts back together. The first way I'm going to do it, super basic with my cubes, I'm going to start with 57, and I'm going to add on 49. Get ready to check and see if I'm doing it right. So let's start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is a 10, so if I take away 3, that gives me 7. 57. Okay, cool. Now I need to get out 49. Put these closer together so we can actually see them. Here we go. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, and take off 1 from a 10, and that's 9. Okay. So now I'm going to count them by decade counting. So I know I have my 57. Now let's decade count our 10. So 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. Now I'm going to count up my ones. 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. So my answer, my friends, is 106 is how many cupcakes he had to start. Let's draw that out. Alright. So here's my 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 7. Here's 10, 20, 30, 40, 49. And let's show how we decade counted. Do it with me. I want to hear you. So 57, 67, 77, 87, 97, oops, 100. Oh, Miss Schultz, what are you doing? 97. Now we need to add on 9. So 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. Perfect. So I know that 106 is equal, or 106 minus 57 equals 49, or I know that 57 plus 49 equals 106. There we go. Nice job, my friend. So for the second time that I'm going to do this, I'm still using addition because we can't find our answer any other way. We have both of our parts. We have to add them together to get our whole or our total. So I'm still going to do addition, but I'm going to do that strategy of keeping that bigger number in my head and just decade counting on because I don't actually need to draw it out. So let me show you how I would do that. So I know that my second number is going to be 49, and I'm just going to show you this one on the paper. Take this out of the way. There we go. Okay, so just like I did before, I'm going to think about keeping that first number in my head. So here's 57. Grab it in your head. Lock it in there. Now we're going to decade count on. 57, 67, 77, 87, 97, and then I know if I add 9 more to that, it will get me to 106. So I had the same thing, but this way it seems to be a little faster because I didn't actually have to draw out that whole bigger number. I just kept it in my head. So I know that 57 plus 49 is equal to 106. Beautiful, Kipsters. That looks awesome. Gonna give you one more problem to solve on your own. Really thinking about both of these are addition. I did the same strategy of decade counting to find my answer. Which one is faster and more efficient? I agree. I can lock that number in my head. I don't have to draw it out or count the cubes out. I can just keep that number in my head and then add on. Let's see if you can challenge yourself to do that same thing. All right, my friends. Oh, it's about Ms. Bell today. All right, let's see it. Ms. Bell had some French fries. She ate 58. Now she has 63. How many French fries did Ms. Bell have to start? Okay. Pause your screen, copy it down, show me that work. Let's see if you can push yourself to grab that first number in your head. So you don't have to draw everything out on the paper. You can certainly draw it out to check your work or if you feel like you need to. Great job today, Kipsters. Can't wait to go over this problem with you soon.